Habarakhe kalengku nyau senam kajing yo lat lut kari India. Menteri rang ba kajala konrat ke sangma hakasingi baar ula klei ki shphoutli ki jingkular sha ki pat ba kajala pat produk ki thong jaka sarkar hakini ki san senam ban wan kaban ai kam ai jam tang ki san lakngut henre ban pen urlong ru yala kajing phosneu ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya ka babiang nadong shadong haba khenya usnam ar hajar ar phulai hadu ar phupra kum kapor ban wan ki jingkala ha Meghalaya ukan rat ula ong ba ka thong jaka sarkar haki kam penroy ya ka longbriu man briu bat ka imlang salang hakini ki san senam ban wan lala ban kelum lang haki shiphau tili ki jingkular kini ki shiphau ki jingkular ki dei ki surok bat lat penyaso ki babha kajing penroy kor umbam umdi shaman ki yeng kajing ai boarding baklam thut habaro kawi kajela kajing penyo kor internet habaro ki shnong kajing ai yeng shabaro ki badai hok ban yo kajing penbiang ya ki jinon kambaro na kabanta ki khulung na do bakidang don hakpo jong ka kemi ban wanra e kapuli puthi ka bajanai ka kot ka khya ya baro ki Madan ya lekai habaro ki jing ya lekai pat ki jing tei ki bandon kam ban kentiu ya ka riti ka dustur bat ki samla ngilai tre kam menta bat baro ki kunhun bat ki parlok kontup ka sarkar India ki agency badai tengka ki jai ban riu jongi ki seng tre mon ngobha bat ki lat pathai khubor ban pen urlong ki di jinggular ula ong habakran ha ka Jingrakhe ya ka ID ya ka Independence Day ha Madan Polo hadin bapen her ya ka lama lai rong kari henre ula kontui ki nong song stong makin long ki bala pen kre ya ki jing tunju jong ka perthai kum ka jing kala ka maryang ka jing pen thut jong ki core technology bat ki we ngide ban perkhat bha bale hangni hala jalla ba ka perthai baro kawe ka sarkar jonga kan yai kut jingmut ban penti kena ya ka bha kamyat kalawe jong baro kinong song snong nginai persang banang pen klan ya ka GDP ka jalla ban ai kamai jam ya san lakngut kinong song snong ulaong ukonrar ulaong ba ka sarkar kan pen klan bha ha jing pen trei ki program ka sarkar India bat ki we ki project ki ba be pisa na bar jong kari pen yar ka jing pen trei kam ju ki program ka jalla kum ka focus ka prime yes Meghalaya mother progress ba ka homestay scheme ki program bathamai kum ka CM elevate kan nang pli lat shu iki samla bat kinong sengkam sengjam lajong ula pentep ula kado baha kini kisan senam ban wan ka sarkar MDA 2 kan te ya ka Meghalaya hakaba ki cooperative jang kinong rap kinla ban khayi yala ki marap shakeleng ki yo hapo kari bat shabar riru kumjo ka Meghalaya ka ba Syanyau kum ka jaka wan Shanghai ka ba biang do hapo kari ka Meghalaya ka ba bon kisnong kiladan na ki school ki jaka sumar ki surok ka umbam umdi ka boarding ka core internet ki yeng ki sem ki Madan ya lekai ka Meghalaya ka ba baro ki khulung khana ki yo ya ka kabu ba biang tam ha ka jing em lengba ki jing kersha na do bakidang don ha ka khapo na do tekila khi samla ka Meghalaya ka ba de ka nong yalam hapo kari ha ka jing le ban penderban ki khlau ki betam ta ka ba jing ai jing siu ya ki kam ban penne bat ya dai la ki khlau ka Meghalaya ka ba ki ken thei ki yo ya ka ju ka hok ban ne banta ha ka yo ka kon bat ki we
Miss Joan London Flui.
Following behind Auxilium Girls High and Secondary School is Brookside Adventist High Secondary School, being led by its commander Azriel C.H. Mumin. Its commander Esther Hafilea Kamen Bingro.
Following closely behind Little Flowers Secondary School, we have Somerset High.
Approaching the saluting dais is Laban Presbyterian High Secondary School, being led by its commander Jasper Dingdong.
Ladies and gentlemen, BSF Secondary School boys and girls is approaching the saluting dais. They will Commander Sunil Verma.
This is John!
The NCC boys marching contingent being led by Iborlang Karjana.
Following closely, round applause. Following closely behind is the CRPF, led by Commander SIGT Anand Mehta.
Following closely is the 1st Meghalaya Battalion being led by Commander Shri Jimbar Sangma. The parade commander, Shri Devansh Pandey, is approaching the dais along with the second in command, SI Shri Samborlang Nompur of the Meghalaya Police. Is the Tripura State Rifles being led by Subedar Pranjit Devarma.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the saluting base is Unitarian High Secondary School, led by Commander Honshisha Arsunai. Following closely behind is Holy Cross Secondary School, led by Commander P. Banker Maukhew.
And following behind Holy Cross Secondary School is Nongra Presbyterian Secondary School being led by Commander Sanda Kerman Pingro.
Phase 1 training at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad, and is present.
जय हिंद श्रीमान, एक परेड कमांडर, एक 2IC, 17 प्लाटून परेड पर।
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the flypast courtesy the Indian Air Force is to know.
Ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest will now inspect the contingents. Escorting the chief guest is Shri Devansh Pandey, IPS.
Today's chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Konkor Sangma, was born on the 27th of January 1978. He is the third Chief Minister of Meghalaya whose vision for the state was shaped extensively by the ideals of his late father in national and state politics. A leader with vision and far-sightedness, Shri
local adolescents and women. The women members of self-help groups are finding employment as bank sakhis and business correspondents. They are providing financial services in remote areas. One such inspiring story is that of Miss Rida Linxiang, and are improving the well-being of their families and communities. For instance, self-help groups for Mokurwat